345DQT.
Why did I just say that?
Hey y'all, it's Savannah here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're going to take a look at this brand new floor plan of this 2027 Grand Design Transcend 345DQT. And we know you can find this camper anywhere else in America, but what you won't find is another Cookeville RV Marine. We're family owned and operated. We have the best prices in the nation, and don't just take our word for it. We have 4.8 stars on Google and over 1,400 reviews from happy campers all over the US. And before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell button to make sure you get notifications every time we post videos just like this one. On the entertainment side of your camper, you're gonna notice you have an awning that covers both entryways, one going to the bathroom and one going to the living space. And right below it, you have an LED strip light to keep the party going on all night long. And right here, you have indoor-outdoor JBL Bluetooth speaker system. Over here, there's an outlet so you're able to plug in even more lights or a TV, or extension cords, anything else you may need. And right over here, which I really love, it's a leash hitch, so you're able to keep those puppies safe. They can hang out with you outside, but if you don't have a puppy, you can actually use it as a bottle opener as well. Now let's go check out all that storage you have. In your pass-through storage, you have plenty of room, and you actually have the same flooring as you have inside. So it's gonna be durable, it's gonna be easy to clean up, and right over here on the wall, you actually have two lights. So you're gonna be able to set up, clean up, anything you might need at nighttime. And on your end, you're gonna see the convenience bay, and that's where all of your hookups are. So that's everything you're gonna need when you get to the campground. Now let's check out your other storage. On the off-door side of your camper, you actually have even more storage, and fun fact, it's actually right under your bed in your bedroom. Towards the rear of your camper on the off-door side, you actually have even more storage, and where this is located is a special secret. We'll have to show you inside. But before we head inside, there's one more thing I wanted to mention. There's actually an exterior laundry rack, so you're able to hang up those towels, bathing suits, rugs, anything you don't want to bring inside, okay? Let's go check out the inside. When you first walk in, you'll actually see your control panel, which is used to manage the slides, the lights, the awning, and you're even able to see the tank levels. And right below is where you'll manage that JBL Bluetooth speaker system, so you're able to manage the sound outside and inside. Now let's go check out the rest. Right in front of your door, you have a spacious hutch area that can be used for lots of things. If you wanted to make it a coffee bar area, don't you worry, because you actually have an outlet. If you needed a place to put those keys, you can put a bowl right here and put those keys. Again, if you needed a charging station for the tablet or phone or flashlights, you can use that outlet just for that. There's also tons of storage. So right in here, you could use this for a pantry, a spice rack, if you needed a place to put those cups or plates. And right below, there's even more storage. So if you have any extra items, like blankets or pillows, or just extra flashlights, you can put them in there as well. And one thing that I really love is actually right below. So those Furry Friends bowls, they're always getting in the way. But in this one, it's not gonna be a problem. So if you open it up right down here, there's actually hidden pet dishes, okay? Now let's go check out that living space. In your living space, you have electric theater seating with tons of cup holders and lots of USBs, okay? You have them right here, and you have them hidden right here, so any charging is gonna be taken care of in this camper. And right next to your theater seating, you actually have a U-shaped dinette, and it's very spacious. You're able to eat dinner, you can play games, and if you need to do work from the campground, it's not gonna be a worry in the world. There's actually an outlet, so you're able to plug everything you need in. And also, this actually converts into another sleeping area, so you can fit even more people in this camper. Now let's go check out that kitchen. In your kitchen that's right across from this theater seating, you have your TV that's actually on a swivel mount. So if you're sitting at that dinette, you're gonna be able to see. If you're sitting at the theater seats, no matter where you are, you're gonna be able to see the TV. And right next to your TV, you have all of your appliances. So you have your microwave, your 3-burner stovetop, and your fridge, which is really spacious. So you have all the room in the world to put your fruits and veggies or your popsicles and ice cream. This is gonna be the place to do it. And back to your counter space, you have a spacious sink area with a built-in soap dispenser and a paper towel holder. And if you're worried about any other appliances that may need to be plugged in, there's actually another outlet that's by that entryway. And right below, there's even more storage. So if you need a place to put those pots and pans, this is gonna be the place to do it. If you need to put any cleaning supplies, right below the sink is a perfect spot to put it as well. And right over here, you can put your utensils, like your spoons and forks, anything like that. And right below is actually your hidden trash can. So you don't have to worry about the trash can falling over or making a big old mess. Now let's go check out your bedroom. In the front of your camper is your bedroom. You've got a queen size bed with more storage up top and an outlet to be able to charge that phone. Right below the bed, there's even more storage. So if you need to put those decorative pillows or more blankets, this is gonna be the place to put them. Now let's go check out this closet. Your closet is very spacious. You have a hanging rod that goes from both ends, and it also has a space for any kind of folded items or shoes. It's also washer and dryer prep. If you need a place to put that dirty laundry, right below is gonna be the perfect spot for it. It's actually a built-in laundry chute as well. They've also added a foldable table that's gonna be perfect to use either outside or inside. Now let's go check out that bathroom. Before we get into your bathroom, we actually have 2 different pull-down hooks, so you can put any kind of bags or hang anything you might need right here. Now let's go check out this bathroom. In your bathroom, you've got a foot flush toilet, and right above, there's 2 different hooks, so you're able to hang those towels so they're not just falling all over the floor. Right next to it, you have your mirror front medicine cabinet, so you can put your toothbrush, your toothpaste, and right below is your sink, and there's outlets right next to it, so you're able to do your hair. Right below, you can put anything else you might need to store in there. Right across from your sink area is your shower and even more open shelving. In the open shelving, you can put your toilet paper, your towels. In your shower, it's very spacious. You have shelving, so you're able to put the soap, your body wash, your shampoo and conditioner, anything you might need. Now let's go check out the best part of this camper. And right before we show you our secret, there's actually another hutch right across from the bathroom. So if you need to make it more storage for that bathroom or even more storage for the pantry, you're able to do so. You have a whole extra bedroom, and just like the other one, you have a queen size bed, your storage, and your outlets. But right over here is the best part. You've got his and her closets and drawers right underneath, so you have plenty of space for all of your clothes. And right in between, you have another desk area, so if you need any kind of privacy to do your work from home, this is going to be the place to do it. So if you're loving this Transcend or any other Transcend on the Grand Design line, make sure to give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.